Hey everyone, welcome back into my kitchen. On the menu today we have these oven baked chicken drumsticks. Stay tuned.
Hashtag, I'm a big deal. Ask anybody boy. I'm a big deal. Very, very, very important.
So I'm using chicken drumsticks today, but thighs will work well with this recipe as well. Now I'm using 10 drumsticks. Now I'm going to season these with all the seasoning that I'm showing. I used 1 teaspoon of each of this seasoning, except for the Maggi chicken seasoning where I used 2 teaspoons. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to combine all this together in a bowl and then mix it with 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and also a teaspoon of my browning. Now the browning is completely optional, but I want it to have a nice rich color, so I do add my browning, but you can totally skip this if that's what you want to do. Now also, if you want your chicken to have a little bit of heat, you can go ahead add like a half a teaspoon of some cayenne pepper or a kind of pepper of your choice. Now once I mix this, I'm just gonna go ahead now and put it over my chicken and just give it a good rub. Now once you've done this, you can go ahead and let this marinate. I'd recommend you let this marinate for about a minimum of 4 hours in the fridge or overnight. Now when I'm ready to cook my chicken, I'm going to put them on a tray on a grid with some greaseproof paper. Now when I was cleaning my chicken, what I did with my knife was just to stab the chicken a few times, each one, as you can see there. And what this does is it just allows the seasoning to just go down in it. When them say season to the bone, that's what they mean. Now I'm going to put this in my oven. Now in total I cooked this for 1.5 hours on gas mark number 6, which is 400 degrees. Now after 30 minutes I'm gonna go ahead and take my chicken out and turn it. Now also what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add about half a cup of water to my tray. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming by. I really appreciate you guys coming, and if you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, watch a few of my videos if you want. If you like my content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your post notification bell so that you know when I upload a video. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. Now this is after 1 hour. What I'm going to start doing now is basting my chicken. Now this is why I put the water in, because then it just creates this really good sauce, gravy, niceness, whatever you call it. Yeah, so I'm going to baste this. Now I'm going to put this back in the oven for the last half an hour, but halfway in between I'm going to take the chicken out, turn it over again and baste it. Now I cook these at 1.5 hours, but if you have slightly smaller chicken, you can reduce your time by about 10 minutes, or if you have bigger chicken, just increase it a little bit. But yeah, just as I always say, make sure the chicken cook before you give to people to eat. God, ain't trying to poison nobody around here. Now look at that chicken, so juicy and just nice. Now you see the extra sauce from the pan. Look here, so we don't waste nothing around here. Take it and pour it all over that chicken. It just keeps the chicken juicy, it keeps the chicken moist, and hey, you know what, that's what we like around here. Some nice juicy, when I say juicy, I mean juicy chicken. And there you have it, guys, my oven baked chicken drumsticks. Look how nice. Oh gosh. Now tell me in the comment section how much of this you can eat. Let me see if you're bad. Now I had to just get my fork and just show you what inside is looking like, because you know sometimes people cook chicken and they're like, oh my god, no sir, I want to see the inside. It's see there, yeah, chicken cook well cooked. The meat is just juicy, it's just coming off. And yes, it's kind of hot. I'm gonna have to hold it stylish because I never really want to burn up my finger, just you know, for sure. No things, no, I'm trying to show, but god damn, the chicken was hot. So you know, when you have to try and take it up with like a style, like you have to handle it with care, you know, kind of hot. Girl, burning up my fingers for the tube, Lord of mercy. Now listen, if when you do your chicken, yeah, your bone is not clean like this, I don't want it. I don't want it. No ma'am, it's a no thank you for me. I don't want it. The chicken's got, you know, when your chicken comes off the bone like that clean, you know your chicken is nicely cooked, but your meat is still juicy. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and as I always say, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Catch you in the next video. Bye.